In this session, we will learn about break, continue, and pass keywords and their uses. These keywords control the behavior inside loops, allowing you to alter the flow of execution. Break keyword is used to exit the loop immediately. Continue keyword allows us to skip the current iteration and move to the next one. The pass keyword does nothing. It is used as a placeholder. Let's create a new Python file called control keywords. First, we have the break statement. The break statement is used to exit a loop prematurely. That is, it stops the loop even if the loop's condition hasn't yet been satisfied. It is often used when a certain condition is met and you no longer need to continue the loop. Let's understand this using an example. Imagine you're watching a series of movies and decide to stop watching as soon as you find your favorite one. We have a list of movies as movies equal within square brackets Inception, The Matrix, Interstellar, Titanic. Then we have a for loop as for movie in movies, print now watching, comma, movie. Then if movie equals Interstellar, print found my favorite movie, stopping the marathon. Break. The loop iterates through the list of movies. As soon as the movie Interstellar is found, the break statement exits the loop, stopping the marathon. Let's run the code to see the results. In the first iteration, the movie is Inception, so it prints now watching Inception. The if statement is false as Inception is not equal to Interstellar and the loop restarts with the next movie, The Matrix. First, it prints now watching The Matrix. Again, the if statement is false as Matrix is not equal to Interstellar and the loop restarts with the next movie, Interstellar. First, it prints now watching Interstellar. Then, the if statement evaluates to true. The control goes inside the if statement and prints found my favorite movie, stopping the marathon. When the break statement is encountered, it stops the control from going over to the next movie, Titanic, and the program stops. Next up is continue statement. The continue statement is used to skip the rest of the code inside the current loop iteration and move to the next iteration. It allows you to skip certain steps in the loop if a specific condition is met. Let's understand this using an example. Imagine you're having dinner with friends but you skip any dish that's too spicy. We have a list of dishes as dishes equals within square brackets pasta, spicy curry, salad, and spicy noodles. Then to check the continue statement, we have the loop for dish in dishes. If spicy in dish, which means if the string spicy is present in the dish name, then print skipping, comma dish, continue, and then print eating dish outside the if condition. The for loop goes through the list of dishes. When it encounters a spicy dish, it prints skipping the dishes. In the next line, the continue keyword sends the control back to the for loop without printing the last line, eating the dish. Let's see what happens when we run the code. Let's go through the results one iteration at a time. The first element in the list is pasta. So the condition evaluates to false as the word spicy is not present in pasta. The program executes the last line and prints eating pasta. The loop moves to the next item in the list, which is spicy curry. The substring spicy is present in spicy curry So we go inside the if condition and print skipping spicy curry. Next, the continue statement is executed and the loop goes back to the for loop without executing the last statement. The next element in the list is salad. The if condition evaluates to false and the program executes the last line and prints eating salad. Then the loop moves to the next item, spicy noodles. The substring spicy is present in spicy noodles, so we go inside the if condition and print skipping spicy noodles. The continue statement is executed and the last line is skipped again. Since there are no more elements in the list, the program stops. Last but not the least, we have the pass statement. The pass statement does nothing. It is often used as a placeholder for future code. It allows you to write a block of code that is syntactically correct but doesn't perform any action. Let's say we have a list of tasks, and for all the tasks with the name skip, we want to do nothing. The task list is tasks equal within square brackets, clean the room, and skip. For task in tasks, if task equal skip, then pass, else print doing task, then the task name. Let's run this and see the results. Let's understand how we got the results. The first element in the list is clean the room. Since clean the room is not equal to skip, the condition evaluates to false and the else block is executed and prints doing task clean the room. The loop moves to the next element in the list, skip. Since skip matches, the condition evaluates to true and the pass statement is executed. This means the program does nothing and simply moves forward. No output is printed in this iteration. All the elements in the list have been processed and the loop terminates. In this session, we learned how to use break, continue, and pass statements. In this section, we learned that conditional statements help in making decisions in our programs based on specific conditions. Logical operators allow us to combine multiple conditions into one or more complex expressions. Loops help in performing repetitive tasks without writing the same code multiple times. Break, continue, and pass provide control over the flow of execution in loops, allowing us to break out, skip iterations, or leave gaps for future logic. Mastering these control flow statements gives you full control over how your program behaves and reacts to different inputs and conditions. Lastly, please have a look at the exercises at the end of this section. Thank you.